Once upon a time, in the kingdom of Pasir Batang, the kingdom was ruled by a wise king named Prabu Tapa Agung. However, the Prabu was now elderly, and it was time to hand over the throne to his son. He then chose his youngest daughter, named Purbasari. It was traditional to hand over the throne to his oldest daughter, but the Prabu chose Purbasari because she had a good and wise personality.
Purbasari, my youngest child, you have grown up with a very good personality. I am old. I will hand over the throne to you.
Thank you for your praise, my father. I don't mind. I try to do my best.
Oh, Orthodox, your father is there broken the tradition of the kingdom all time. It's really not appropriate for a king to do this.
I also couldn't understand how the throne could be handed over to Purbasari. I'm better than her in every way.
Ha 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 ha. Calm down. I has is applied.
They went to a powerful shaman named Nihonda to ask for a cure potion.
Welcome to my neighborhood, nobles.
We have to condemn Purbasari. She's gone too far.
Is that so? Looks like the royal family is in trouble. It'll make you make this potion. Of course, it's not free. This is a dangerous potion. It'll make you Purbasari a strange illness.
Thank you. Here's a bag of gold.
The next day, Purbararang asked his servant to mix the potion into a drink and give it to Purbasari.
Do I dare to do this? Of course, I will stand by Purbararang's side. Princess, here is a drink to refresh such a hot day. Princess Purbararang asked me to give you this.
My joy? Thank you.
She immediately drank it because she happened to be thirsty. But suddenly, Purbasari had an oddity on her body, as creepy spots appeared all over her body. Purbararang immediately complained to the Prabu about what was happening to Purbasari. The Prabu felt right about what Purbararang said to exile Purbasari for fear that the whole kingdom would suffer the same curse. The Prabu finally handed over the throne to his eldest daughter. Purbasari was escorted away by the Patih Wak Batara.
It's a pity to hear that you have to leave the kingdom. You must be very patient, princess. In this forest, stay in the hut I made. Although it is small, I will always take care of you.
As time goes by, Purbasari often plays with animals in the forest to entertain herself. Until one day, when Purbasari was alone, a pair of eyes seemed to be watching her from a distance. Suddenly, the pair of eyes came out of hiding. From then on, Purbasari called him Lutung Kasarung, meaning the wall slanger. Wherever Purbasari went, Lutung Kasarung always accompanied her. Behind Purbasari's happiness, she was always in pain every night due to her illness. Lutung Kasarung accidentally saw this and begged the Almighty to cure Purbasari's illness.
Come on, you should take a bath and wish yourself there.
I'm cured. I'm very grateful. Thank you.
What happened? Huh?
The Pati was so happy to see Purbasari recovered that she invited her to return to the palace. But Purbasari refused because she was already comfortable with the current situation. Finally, after being persuaded by the Pati and Lutung Kasarung, she agreed.
You might have recovered my sister, but it's not that easy to enter my place. There are two conditions to test who is better between you. The first is the long hair. Well, maybe you won this time. Next time it's the handsome and handsome couple competition. Remember, the winner will be the queen and the loser has to leave her. You don't seem to have a partner.
I have him.
Ha! Is partner runtuh. There's really no one. Ang ditanden langgar.
Lutung Kasarung was furious. She prayed and unleashed the power to change his form to his former self.
I am the true from of Lutung Kasarung. Prince Trinda is by name.
What? How could you be a prince?
I tell you why I'm here.
My son, you have grown up to be a man of valor. It's time you to marry a heavenly maiden.
I am not willing to marry a coastal maiden. I will only marry a woman whose beauty is the same as my mother.
If you want to do that, you have to follow mom orders. You won't find her here. To find the same person as me, you have to go to the human world not as handsome, mighty man, but as Langer.
I am pleased too.
Sunan Ambu unleashed her power and turned the prince into a langer. And one day,
In the past, I made a fatal mistake. Explaining my daughter we was suffering from her illness. However, she made it back through her struggle. Today, I will transfer the throne to the original owner Purbasari. I hope my eldest daughter Purbararang can accept gracefully.
I play apology for hurting you and making a big mistake.
It's okay, sister. I forgive you.
now Purbasari lives happily and peacefully in her kingdom. The end of the story, Purbasari gets married and lives happily with Prince Guruminda or Lutung Kasarung.